Hi, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio. In the upcoming tutorial, I'm going to be talking a little bit about Microsoft Word and spell check, but not the traditional way that you do spell check. For instance, take a look at my screen and look at these words. What do you notice? They are in uppercase, but Microsoft is not really alerting you that something is wrong with these words. There are no red wavy lines under the words, and you can clearly see that they are misspelled. So let's do some investigating and find out what is going on here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to File on the menu bar at the top, come down to Options, and then go to the Proofing tab on the left sidebar. Next, I want to call your attention to the section when correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. The first option shows there is a check mark next to ignore words in uppercase. So that's the culprit. This option is chosen by default, and most people don't know this. And so most people are going along thinking that if they don't see those red wavy lines, that their document is safe and secure from typos. Not the case. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and remove the check mark from ignore words in uppercase and choose OK. Now take a look at my screen. Now notice what's happening. The system is actually saying, hey, look, these words are possibly misspelled. So now I can just right click on basket and choose the correct spelling, and weaving, right click on that word and choose the correct spelling for that. Simple as 1, 2, 3. But you just didn't realize that by default, Microsoft does not check words in uppercase letters as a possibility of being misspelled. Now, it could be because companies, may have complained and said, we work with acronyms a lot, so we don't want this on by default, but this is how the software ships out. By default, it does not check words written in uppercase. So the next time you're working with a long document like a proposal or a very important business document, make sure you check any words that are in all uppercase for possible typos. And if you enjoyed these tips, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I upload new content. And I'll see you on the next video.